Whoa, cool! He's so fast!
Wow, not bad. So what now?
And done!
Boring. Time to order something. Cool. Let's see what we got. Wow, now that's a real Rubik's Cube. I'll try Ladybug game. Here we go. Come on, cutie, run to the berries. I'll make the way for ya.
Guys, look! Hey, where are you off to? Cool! I'll order one too! Huh. I can afford that too.
Yay! My new TV is here! Gotta snap a pic. Think I left my phone here. Oh, hey!
What an interesting plant. Whoa! Uh-oh. That's such an expensive TV. Oops.
Yeah, I'm heading back to class.
What do I do? Oh, the cardboard box is still here. Let's do this. Done. Not bad at all.
I'll call you back. Oh,
Welcome to today's program.
let's see what's on other channels.
Comedy time.
Next!
You're on the horror channel.
Hilarious!
Sorry, I accidentally broke the TV.
I know. I saw you panic over it.
Oh my god.
But it's fine. I'm not mad.
You totally got me.
Don't worry. Let's just sing a song.
Okay, got the mic right here.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh! Oh no! Look, she fell with all those books. Oh no! Learn how to walk and carry things! Stop laughing! Ow! Whoa, what is this? A wish diary? I can't believe it! I can't wait to use it! Let's see. Who should I target first?
What are you looking at?
Yep, I know just what to do.
I definitely look good today.
He definitely does! Hey.
Hey. You look gorgeous.
It's not fair! Ugh.
Look! That girl's staring at us. Again!
What? Me? How dare she? I think someone's complexion needs work. We'll see who's the loser.
Huh? What's that? Something's wrong with your face. Look! My skin! What happened to my flawless skin?
Haha! Take that! And maybe some horns, too!
Oh, there's something growing out of your head!
What? Oh Why is this happening to me?
Listen, everything will be okay. Don't worry.
Oh, he's so caring. But he's wrong.
Wait, who's that over there? The love of my life! Hey, Ellie. I brought these for you.
Oh, wow. So unexpected. Thank you. I don't get how all this happened. Alright, class. Time for your test. Is that the right answer? No. Hey, psst. Can you help me out? What? No. Do your own work. Okay, sis could help me out. Hey. What? Wanna give me some help? No. Really? No. Girl, I'm gonna fail for sure. Psst. Emily! I can help you out. Oh my gosh! Yes! Please! Here, take this! Wow! It's amazing! Alright, the wish diary will help. Alright, time to help myself out. I just need to write something here. Not only am I gonna pass the test, I'm gonna ace it. Oh wow! Look at the test! It's giving me the answers! Yes! Hey, I have another great idea. She didn't want to help me, huh? No! Oh. Looks like her pencil stopped working. And for breaking the sis code… Oh no! My stomach! I need the bathroom! Look at her run! Excuse me. I'm done with my test. Ugh. It's important you follow the rules. Right, please. I will follow the rules. Okay. Ellie? No food in my class! Come on. Ugh. What does the sign right here say? Ew, gross. Oh. Hey. Oh. No phones in detention class! Okay. Whew. As I was saying, you should follow the rules. Seriously? Again? Ugh. Yes! Sorry. I'm awake. Ellie, look. Do you understand me? You're right. I'm sorry. Alright. I've got my glasses ready. Now, the reason this is so important… Is she drooling? Ugh! Ellie! Ugh! I'm here! I'm paying attention! There's gotta be something I can do to stay awake. Wait, of course! The diary! I should have thought of this sooner! This will solve my problems for sure! I'm a literal genius! Yes! Hey, it's me! A second me! Hi, me too! You stay here! Okay. I'm gonna leave. Did someone just leave the room? Wasn't she sitting in the other desk before? There's something strange going on in here. So… I really needed this. Oh, I'm so nervous. Alright. Here come your test results. Here you go, Ellie. No! An F? Ugh. Good job, Emily. How could I get them all wrong?
Guess you should have studied more, Ellie.
Oh, of course she got an A. Ugh. Why is she so smart and mean? She's gonna regret that. Time for the diary. Just a little switcheroo. We'll see how she likes her grade now. I can't wait to get our tests back! Here you go, Ellie. Wow! An A+! Oh, Emily. Huh? You got an A? And I got an F? Guess you should have studied more and harder. Ugh. Wow! Billy is just the most perfect! Wait! Ellie! You dropped something! Wait! Ellie, the diary! Hey, I could totally use it! This is so smart! I can't wait for this to work! She's my absolute favorite! Hi. She's here! I'm your biggest fan! Can I take a selfie with you? Okay, sure. Awesome! Can we take one more? Yep. Whoa! Where'd she go? I guess she wasn't gonna stay forever. But I at least have the photos to always remember her. Hey, Emily. Do you have something of mine? I just wanted to meet Billie Eilish. Huh? Billie Eilish? I'm going to work. And you, my darling, should clean your room. Mwah. Bye-bye. Meh. Yes! Oh no! Mom's on her way home! This place is a mess! What am I gonna do? I gotta clean up! So much laundry and trash everywhere! Phew. That should be good enough. Oh. Oh no, no, no. I think I made it even worse! Emily? I'm home. There she is. Ellie's the only one who can save me. Oh, Emily. She's always in a mess. I'll give her a helping hand. She's lucky I found this diary. But also, she just needs to keep her room clean. Alright, that should help her out. Darling, did you clean your room like I asked? Let's see. No laundry or trash. Good job, Emily. I'm proud of you. Doesn't it feel good to have a clean room? Phew. Hi, guys! What would you write in the diary? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. And subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.